What's up, ladies? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about grapefruits, which is an excellent fruit for your health and beauty. Today we'll be discussing the vitamins and the minerals that this fruit contains. So just to get started, grapefruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, and vitamin C is known to strengthen your body. Also, vitamin C helps to boost collagen, and vitamin C is known to fight off free radicals. So when it comes to evening out your skin tone, when it comes to boosting your collagen, when it comes to having glowing skin and just a strong body, you want that vitamin C. And if you can get a natural source of vitamin C, it's the best way to go. Also, grapefruits contain calcium and phosphorus, which is excellent for the body, and potassium. And I like the red grapefruits because they're actually sweeter and less acidic than the white fruits, but they're also more delicious. So that's why I like them. Second reason I like to juice grapefruits is because it has a high water content. So that's why you see a lot of juice coming from this fruit. And not only that, you want your body to stay hydrated, and that's what's going to happen when you are taking in this fruit. Not only that, when it comes to consuming the grapefruit, it's also going to help your skin stay hydrated, and you want your skin to stay hydrated at all times. Now, when your skin is dehydrated, that's a skin condition, but also you don't want your skin to fall into that kind of condition because it can wreak havoc on your skin. So you want your skin to stay hydrated at all times. Also, when it comes to the grapefruits, it helps with weight loss. So this fruit is high in nutrients, it's high in fiber, but it's low in calories, and it also promotes fullness. So that's why you see or hear about a lot of people snacking on grapefruits in the morning time, because you're going to get your nutrients in, you're going to get that vitamin C, those minerals, and also it's good for the body and it's good for your skin. Don't forget, ladies, when you are purchasing this fruit, you want to make sure that it's the red grapefruit. You do not want the white one because the red grapefruits are sweeter. So just to give you a few names that you could be on the lookout for, check for Star Ruby or Ruby Red or Indian River or Orchid Island. Those are well-known grapefruits that are red and sweet. And again, this is a natural source of vitamin C and calcium and phosphorus. You want those minerals, you want those vitamins. It's going to strengthen your body. It's going to take care of your skin and just help you glow overall. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. Bye.